Hello, I am just chilling with my cup of tea, and I got a couple of books in the mail today. I'm just going through. Yes, time to start planning if you haven't already, and to start organizing your seeds for the spring. Pretty excited. This is a new book from David Austin. I'll be going through that. And then also have another new book that just came out from Baker Creek Heirloom. Pretty excited. I haven't ordered any seeds from them, so I will be going through this book. I saw a couple of things that I did want to hurry up and place an order with, but just wanted to share what I've been up to, and I'm sure you're doing the same things at home. My next video will be a seed sorting video where I will be organizing, showing you how I organize my seeds at home, getting ready to start doing a layout plan for my garden, and then also I will be doing some seed starting, so I will share some of that with you. But just wanted to share some of the catalogs that are starting to come in. Of course, I have a nice little seed collection, but it's always nice to go through and see what new seeds are out there. So, all right, thanks for tuning in. I will see you soon. I pray everybody is well and loving on your immediate family members. Thank you again for tuning in. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my tea and look through my books. Happy gardening, stay loving, be kind, and of course, stay healthy. I'll see you soon. This one is really David Austin's. I'm excited about this one. See you soon.